subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss another update from India Forums.
Hi guys, this is Shruti Sharma and I'm going to do this 33 question segment with India Forums. Ranbir Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit and let's invite Remo sir. Either Jhalak Dikhla Ja or Nach Paliye because I love dancing. Tinde ki barfi खाई थी एक दिन मैंने. Oh, I don't like tinda and then there was barfi and my relative was offering me so I couldn't say no. I had to eat it and I'm like a big no. Erica Fernandez, her style is really cool. I'm going to Aksa Beach. Actress Shruti Sharma, who is loved by the audience for her amazing performances in a bunch of TV shows, was roped in by us at a famous beach in Mumbai before the lockdown, and here we asked her our 33 questions. So let's roll.
What do you like to do on a day off?
I love to explore things which I don't get time to do on my regular basis, like I'm doing today. I'm here on Danapani beach and I'm trying to explore something. I explored, there is a lot of kachra and waste over here. बहुत टाइम पहले आई थी और अब आके देख रही हूँ तो क्या हाल कर दिया है बेचारे बीच का. Very bad. Seriously, मतलब on a very serious note, see, this is our nature and what we do with nature. Like we throw kachra here, there. Even animals keep their places safe, cleaner than us. And like today, I came here to freshen up, to get some fresh air, to just play with water. But the water is literally very dirty.
One thing you've tried but will not recommend others to try?
Never try. You can never try to copy your father's signature or you will get beaten up a lot. Yes. I got punished, scolded and पापा ने फिर मेरा favorite cassette अभिजीत सावंत का से तोड़ के फेंक दिया था. So I think मेरे खानदान में पहली थी जो ऐसे काम करके बैठी थी.
Weirdest thing that you've done?
टिंडे की बर्फी खाई थी एक दिन मैंने. Oh, I don't like tinda and then there was barfi and my relative was offering me so I couldn't say no. I had to eat it and I'm like a big no.
One celebrity whose Instagram game you love?
Instagram game. I don't check out other celebrities on Instagram that much. I just post and then I go offline. Yeah, Erica Fernandez. She has managed her Instagram profile really in a very cool style, Her style is really cool.
Number of hair ties you lose in a week?
Hair ties? यार 2-3 तो चले जाते हैं. So I have kept a box on my set, like in my makeup room, on my makeup table. So what I do whenever I lose one, I have one there. So I just pick it up and tie up my hair. Or otherwise I will search it with my hair didi. Didi, आपके पास मेरा hair band है क्या? So ऐसा होता रहता है मेरे साथ.
Your go-to party outfit?
Go-to party outfit? I think denim and some hot crop top or a nice dress.
The most eventful day in your life?
Most eventful day? I think when I went to Imagica. That was the most eventful day when I had a lot of fun and did a lot of things.
If you have to jump in a pool full of something, what will it be?
Full of something? Except water. I think I'll... Oh, there are so many things I want then. Sugar candy. It can be sugar candy. And what else? Gems. I always wanted to jump in a pool of gems. बचपन में मुझे gems बड़े पसंद थे भाई. और क्या हो सकता है? बस इतना ही काफी है. इसको भी नहीं समझ में आ रहा है.
If you could take photograph of one moment from your life, what will it be?
When I won India's Next Superstars. And when Rohit Shetty sir did, yes, you're the winner.
One thing about your profession you wish to change?
The working hours. We work like for 16 to 18 hours, which is a lot. So I would like to change that.
One project where you enjoyed the most on set?
One project where I enjoyed a lot. Yeah, when I'm working, I'm very focused. I think on Gadbandhan, we had a lot of fun. And yeah, otherwise, India's Next Superstars, it was fun.
Your best friend forever?
My best friend forever, my brother, Shagun. He's going to be there forever, but other people are going to get offended. So there are a lot of people. Like Shagun is always there, forever.
One dish you always order while eating out?
It's not a dish, it's a drink, it's buttermilk, छाछ. जो मैं कुछ भी खा रही होती हूँ, I'm like, okay, छाछ मिलेगी क्या? It's good for your digestion. You know, whatever you eat, just have a charge, and the food will get digested.
One thing daily soap has but reality show does not, and vice versa.
Reality shows, okay. So daily soaps, they have a large number of audience and a emotional connection with the audience for a longer period of time rather than reality shows, because वो कुछ महीनों के लिए आते हैं, फिर वो connection धीरे धीरे कहीं धुंधला सा हो जाता है.
If you had to get a pet right now, what will it be?
It will be a Shih Tzu, which I want from such a long time. Please get me one. I can't buy it, you know.
Scariest thing you've ever done?
The scariest thing, I think I have to do it. I have to go for bungee jumping. Then it will be the most scariest thing.
If you host a party, who will be the 3 people you will invite?
You'll invite like some people who can never be at my place. So I wish to invite Ranbir Kapoor, Madhuri Dixit, and let's invite Remo sir.
If you had to plan a pamper day itinerary for yourself, what will it be?
Okay, I am going to do something today to pamper myself. I will get a full body massage. You know, I'll call a masseuse and get my body scrub and like pamper myself, manicure, pedicure. Or if I'm not doing that, I'll go at some beach or something, or a hill station, and I'll spend my whole day there, and I'll be like happily pampered.
One thing you're dying to do right now?
I want to go to a hill station, but I'm not getting time for that.
The weirdest haircut you've tried?
Weirdest? I would like to try that जो हम एकदम braid एकदम skin से लगा हुआ braiding करते हैं ना, वैसा कुछ जैसे मोनिका ने किया था Friends में. Like to try that.
What would your perfect room look like?
Perfect room look like? Okay, there are going to be some mirchi lights. They are going to be जैसे अभी मेरे घर पे है some authentic Indian style का sofa और chairs, like not a big sofa, छोटा छोटा chair and एक छोटा सा दीवान, there, एक खिड़की उस पे कुछ, like my living room, that is the perfect room which I want.
Your shopping is not complete without buying.
I'm not a shopaholic person, not at all. So I don't go to shopping. But whenever I go, I would like to buy I always buy this mint wala dabba. I don't know why, but I love mint. So Happydent White is the only thing which I buy.
An art form you wish to learn now?
Art form. There are 2 forms, skills actually. One is Taekwondo, and other one is I would like to restart my Bharatanatyam practices.
A Netflix show you wish to be a part of?
Friends, forever favorite. I love that show.
A secret about you which no one knows?
Okay, one secret about me. But why you want me to spill out that secret? People should know about me. So I'm a very that is my weakness and my strength both. So I'm a very caring and sensitive person. जो भी मेरे अगल बगल या मेरे साथ होता है, to keep them safe, like I go beyond my limits. I just I want to keep my people safe, and जो भी करना पड़ेगा I'll do for them. Like I can even kill someone if I have to save my people. So I think that वो बहुत emotionally वो charged up वाली चीज़ है, जो weakness भी बन जाती है कभी-कभी और कभी-कभी strength भी बन जाती है.
Most interesting place you've ever visited?
Most interesting place. अभी तक तो I think for me Mathiran was the most interesting place which I visited, because there are no cars. You have to ride on horses and explore the whole city. So I think that was I visited till now.
Best thing that happened to you last week?
Last week. Best thing. Last week. ना सोचना पड़ रहा है यार मुझे. I spent a really actually this was great. So I spent a really nice time. I spent this really nice time with my friends after a long time, and ऐसा लगा जैसे कि हाँ पुराने दिन वापस आ गए.
Last time you got pranked or you pranked someone?
I got pranked. यार नहीं हुआ हम बहुत टाइम हो गया किसी ने प्रैंक कोई करो प्रैंक मेरे ऊपर.
A job you always wanted to try.
I want to fly a plane. Please don't judge me. I took a lot of time. But yeah, एक बार तो मुझे अपनी लाइफ में प्लेन उड़ाना है भाई साहब. एक बार. पायलट बनना चाहती हूँ मैं.
If you were an animal, which one would you be?
Dogs. Always. Dogs or birds.
If you had to get stuck with two celebrities in an elevator, who will they be?
Without any doubt, Ranbir Kapoor or Sushmita Sen. Yeah, she is such a nice person. I would like to meet her once. And the most important thing, she is my brother's crush. So I would like to make him jealous. See, dude, what I got.
Have you crushed on a fictional movie character? If yes, who?
Yes, Ranbir Kapoor in all his movies. He is my only crush.
If you could know the absolute truth to one question, what will it be?
What happens after death? I'm really curious about these things. Life after death and how a soul travels. So I would like to know this thing. What happens?
Hope you enjoyed this one.
Yes, it was fun, and I explored Dana Pani today. So yeah, it's always fun to do any kind of segments with India Forums.
Hey guys, check out our revamped website at www.indiaforums.com to get your daily dose of entertainment.
We hope that you guys enjoyed this chat with Shruti. If you did, do comment and tell us. Don't forget to subscribe to India Forums. Ashima Chavda, camera person Dipesh Mali, India Forums, Mumbai.